Hey CIPO admins, Josh here with another episode of Admin Assist, your go-to series for making the most out of your CIPO experience. Today's episode we have a very important topic, tracking payment applications specifically for contractors. So in CIPO, pay requests are tied directly to your contracts, and your contractors submit their payment requests based on the work that they've actually completed, whether that's by percentage, a quantity, or a dollar amount, which I will show you how to use in a bit. So each of these requests follow a workflow defined by your owner organization, which contractors submit a draft, construction managers will review it, and then finally the owner provides final review. The request is either approved and closed, or it is rejected, keeping a clear record of the workflow every step of the way. Here's why this matters specifically for you as an admin. First of all, it provides accuracy. These pay requests connect to contract and its schedule of values, so the system will automatically know exactly what's being charged. Second, we have visibility. You'll see details like project name, contractor, CM, owner, and location, which are pulled right into a cover sheet or any template specifically that your team wants to use or already uses. And finally, you have flexibility. These pay schedules can be set monthly, bi-weekly, or adjusted mid-period to match your funding source or project needs. So, to give an example, we can navigate to our pay request over here. First of all, I'll show you a little bit about the schedule values. If you're submitting as a contractor, you will select the contractor schedule values, or consultant, select this one. And how you select those is when you would add a new pay request, you'll have a drop down which allows you to select which schedule values you want to pull the data from. So once you go to add a new pay request, like I said, you can select from your schedule values and select the payment period. In this case, I can select 801 to 831, which is a month. Go ahead and select it. And once that is selected, you will see a screen that looks like this pop up. From here, there's a setting by the search bar where you can edit either percentage, amount, or quantity. In this case specifically, I gave the example of the contractor wanting to edit the quantity, so we will do that. Here you will see a bunch of blue lines by the payment quantity, and you can go ahead and edit those. So for example, mobilization, out of 100 units, let's say I used only 50. For bonds, I'll say I used 1, etc. And then once you are finished going down the list as a contractor, you can go ahead and submit it, and it'll print this for you. So after all of this is finished, the construction manager will review it, and then he will route it to the owner for final approval. Once approved, the contract is updated and you'll have a clear digital record of all of your values tied to your workflow. So to close, by keeping these pay applications organized in CIPO, you avoid a lot of confusion, you reduce manual work, and definitely maintain full transparency across all of your projects. That's how admins keep finances clean and controlled overall. If you have an admin topic that you would like us to cover in a future Admin Assist, you can let us know in the comments, or you can reach out to your customer support specialist for support anytime. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.